Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about the System X Max ceramic coating for your airplane. It'll make your airplane look like glass. We just did it to the Project Tiger, so stay tuned while we look at it and have some fun. Now, it does make your airplane very shiny. It looks like glass has been poured on the aircraft, but it is a good product. However, it has a couple of caveats about it. One, it's expensive. A bottle's going to cost you about $800, and you're going to use about half of it on a Grumman Tiger, so something about that size. It's very effective at protecting the paint. Makes it very smooth. It also takes a lot of time to put on. That's why you saw on the original marker that we had up there that there are companies that will do your airplane for you, and they'll charge you about $1,300 for a single, and the price goes up from there. So it's supposed to be a good coating on your aircraft. Now, we did it to the Project Tiger, and it did make it look like glass, and it is very smooth and it is very shiny. So what this is going to do is going to protect all the new paint that we just put on, so the paint job will stay looking good for quite a few number of years. And it's very reflective and it's very shiny. It's not going to add any speed to your airplane, but it's going to help prevent rain and other stuff from wanting to stick to your nice, clean, shiny airplane. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the Project Tiger looks like with the new ceramic coating on it. Again, it's expensive and it takes a couple of days to put on your whole airplane, but it is a nice product. So we hope you found all of this useful and informative. I'm not saying go out and get some, but if you want a nice, pretty airplane to look good for years to come, this is one product I would consider. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.